So let's say you already finished your animation in After Effects and now you want to export it as a MP4 file. First, you need to make sure that you saved your After Effects project. That means that you have a .aeb file, and we're going to need that later. To render a MP4 file from Adobe After Effects, you actually need another piece of Adobe software called Adobe Media Encoder. I already loaded up Media Encoder on the right side of my screen, right here. And what we are going to do is take this composition called animation and click and drag it over and drop it on the top right part of the Adobe Media Encoder interface. So let's do that. We're going to click and drag and drop it right here. You can see that it appeared as an item in a queue waiting to be rendered. So we have our location as an output file selected. Now we're going to click this green arrow and start the rendering. Okay, so it's finished. Let's see what the result looks like. Okay, so that's a finished MP4 file. Now you can continue working on it in different software or send it off to your client or upload it elsewhere. And that's how you render out a MP4 file from After Effects. Thanks for watching.